Hi guys, today I will be teaching you how to make a two-dimensional flower. So, to make this, you will need a square paper like this, and then you need to fold it to form a triangle like this. You have formed a triangle. Then you will need to make a smaller triangle like this. So when you have smaller triangle like this, you will need to fold it something like this. Yes. So it will seem something like this. Okay, and then we turn it upside down, and then we form a triangle again like this. So we formed a triangle, and then we turn it upside down like this, and then we need a pencil to make a design. So I'm gonna teach you to make a design like this. And then make it like this. So now we need to cut along the outline like this, okay? So then now you need to unfold the paper like this, and then it will be formed as a beautiful flower. By using the same folding technique, you can form different type of beautiful flowers by using your artistic skills. Here are some examples. Do try out these paper cuttings. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Enjoy my video. Bye!